Now, one of the tricky part about the market is knowing when you can get into an entry and when you can safely go out of that trade. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a good strategy that can help you cut out those noise, show you good points where you can either place a buy or sell in the market, and also show you how long you can hold the trade and when you can safely exit. Now, with that being said, let's get right into it.
Now, I know that we are all used to MetaTrader 4, but this particular trading platform does not have a lot of resources. The one that you can actually get useful tools in the market is TradingView. But for MetaTrader 4, you don't get a lot of resources. It's just a few that you get, just this ones right here. So best preferably, we're going to be using TradingView for all of this. So if you don't have TradingView, you can just go to the App Store, search in TradingView, and you see it right here. Although I have to update mine, but you see everything right here. Okay, so right now we're currently on TradingView, and let me give you guys a little bit of like an explanation of how this TradingView app works on the phone. So this point right here is actually what we call wish list. So every currency that I have on here can obviously see them all around here, and this part right here is the chart. So yeah, everything here is just the chart basically. Now let's say you're in a time frame and you want to switch to another time frame. How you can do that is coming to this section right here. As you can see, it says 1 hour time frame. So what you have to do is to tap into the 1 hour time frame, and you can go ahead and change it to any time frame you want: 1 minute, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you like. Just choose that. Then if you want to also change currencies, you can just switch it up like this, easily switch that up. So I'm gonna leave it where I was, GBPSD. Now let's say you want to draw something on the chart. Tap into this pencil section. You can go ahead and draw in your trend line, your angle, whatever angle you want to draw, your Fibonacci, your brush, your tech pattern, your long position, short position, every of those things. And in the case where you want to add in an indicator, what you have to do is to tap into this plus button right here. So tap into the plus button. I can see this part that says indicators, so tap into it, and this will give you access to over like thousands of indicators that are available on the chart. Just give me one reason why TradingView isn't nice, but this is just like the very small part of it. So let me go ahead and explain the strategy for you guys. Now, just for context, this is going to be everything we're using right here. Now, this first one you're seeing right here is actually called the trend magic, and the second one you're seeing right here is actually called the Dizwin, which is DZIWNE. Now, if I go ahead and try to minimize everything, you can see that the Dizwin actually changes color. Now you can see at this part the Dizwin is red, you can see at this part the Dizwin is green. Now this part of the Dizwin being red is trying to signify the market is in a downtrend. This part of the Dizwin being green, it signifies that the market is in an uptrend. Now, what is the work of the trend magic? Now, the trend magic is to give you support and resistance as the market is moving. So if the market is in an uptrend, it goes ahead to give you support areas in the market, and if the market is in a downtrend, it goes ahead to give you resistance areas in the market. So this will help you to know like when the market is actually breaking out of a trend. Now, simple explanation: whenever you see price above the trend magic and the Dizwin, this is trying to signify a buy in the market. Now if you look at this point, price went above the trend magic and the Dizwin, trying to signify an uptrend. And let's say you take a buy in the market, price went up, and if you let's look at this point right here. Now there's a consolidation here. Now the trend magic told us that the market is not changing trend yet, price has not yet gone below me, so it's still in it for that buy. And you could see price reacted off of the Dizwin and the trend magic to show that this is actually point of key level and had to go up. Now when we start noticing signs of price going below the Dizwin and the trend magic, we can go ahead and take in those sell spots in the market. You can go ahead and close your trade when you're seeing price trying to bypass the Dizwin and the trend indicator. You can see that right here. Something like that was happening right here. Now one thing we need to know is that a strategy is not 100% perfect, so there'll be a little bit of points where price goes above the Dizwin and trend indicator, but it don't still go far, it just go back right in. So this is also something you need to know, but for the most part price follows the Dizwin and the trend indicator most often. Now to make this whole strategy stronger, we're going to add in one more thing. Now the one more thing I was talking about is the relative strength index. Now this point right here is called the oversold zone, and this point right here is at the overbought zone. Now whenever price is at the oversold zone, the market is about to go up, and whenever price is at the overbought zone, it means that price is about to come down. So it basically represents all of that. Now let's look at this point right here. The RSI is telling us that the market is in an oversold zone. Now we could see right here why the market was just switching up in a trend in a new trend completely. So this right here, together with these two indicators, will actually take it to the next level. Let's look at this point in the market. Give us that notification. You can see right here, give us that notification. You see it came back to retest at the trend magic and the days win. Now this point in the market, price went below the trend indicator and the days win. You can see exactly what happened. It gave us that notification, but although this is caused by news in the market, when prices below the 30 mark or at the 30 mark, we need to be conscious that something can happen in the market. The market can change trend at any time, and you can see that exact same thing happened. Price went above the trend indicator and the days win, same thing.
So with that being said, let me show you guys how you can get this indicator.
Now what you want to do right here is you want to go to this add section, because you want to add in a new indicator. So now when you're already in these technicals, what you have to type in is trend magic. So just type in trend magic. So go ahead and tap into this first one you can see right here. So just go ahead and tap into this first one you're seeing right here. Then come out, you have this. Then what you need to do right here is to come to this add button right here again, tap into the indicator, and what you have to type in is the days win. So type in DZIWNE. You go ahead and pick this second one right here, picking the second one right here. I have the days win, I have the trend indicator. So once you've already had the days win and the trend indicator, what you can do is that you can come to this section right here, go to the settings, inputs, go to the style, and what you want to do right here is that you want to change this to green and you want to increase the opacity, okay. Then this one's red, okay, that's good. Trend magic is already set up. So what you want to do right here is that you want to come to the settings, come to these colors right here, go ahead and max them up. But this one right here, you want to make it green. Sorry, first one you have to make it green, and you want to turn up the opacity, and yeah, it's done. Then for this one, you can leave it at red and just turn up the opacity. And then after that, go to inputs, and what you have to do is that you have to change this to 7, and what you have to do to this point right here is change it to 12. So you're changing the EME length to 7, and EME length smoothing to 12, and go ahead and hit OK. And there you have it. You have every of these things. So whenever the market is going down, comes in at red. Whenever the market is going up, green, and turns into green. Now if you want to go ahead and create a TradingView account, you can go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. Now if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.